Do you have a passion for Softr and love sharing your knowledge with others? We're excited to introduce the Softr Ambassador Program, a unique opportunity for dedicated Softr users to inspire and educate others about our platform. Being a Softr Ambassador means being a dedicated advocate for Softr. Ambassadors lead communities, organize workshops and webinars, create and share tutorials and templates, and much more. We're looking for individuals who can commit a small amount of time each quarter to support our community. This program is now accepting applications, which are reviewed on a monthly basis. As a Softr Ambassador, you'll enjoy numerous benefits. Access to an insider Slack community, early access to new features before they launch, a free Softr business subscription for your community efforts, direct access to the Softr team, recognition for your outstanding work, priority support, special Softr branded swag, and a prestigious ambassador badge for your website and more. So join over 500,000 app builders and become a key part of our mission to make software development accessible to everyone. Visit the link below to learn more and to start your journey towards becoming a Softr ambassador. We can't wait to see all the amazing things that we'll build together.